Okay naman, nakapaglaro pa rin. Ngayon naman, nagkaroon ng sugat. Ayun, rotator cuff pa lang tawag doon. Di ba na ball joint? Sa kotse pa na yun. Pero parang ganoon ang trabaho ng ball joint eh. Ito, James Yap. Chandler from the outside. Loose ball. Rod Neely is fouled.
That was a hard shot to the side of the head of Rod Neely.
And Neely says, I'm not going to react, but that wasn't very nice of him. Sabi ni Rod Neely.
Tama yung sa mukha, ha? I saw that.
Yeah. All right, we've got 5:54 to go in the third quarter. Lamang ng 21 ang Pure Foods, 81-60. We'll be back after this time. Banana Barangay Ginebra at saka ng Pure Foods. Andy Siegel has it. Jack Chia, cross court to Sunday Salvacion. Rod Neely's double teamed. Salvacion gets open. The short jumper is good.
Time was almost out on Barangay Ginebra again because of that tough defense ng Pure Foods, forcing Ginebra to take the outside shot kasi wala silang play sa loob.
Here's Roger Yap. Roger against Jack Chia. His pass is deflected, picked up by Andy Siegel. Binigay kay Rod Neely.
This is a battle of zone defenses, ha?
Oh. Rod Neely, sumaksak sa loob. Floater is good. And Coach Ryan Gregorio sues for time as Ginebra gets relatively closer. At ang ating score ngayon, mga kaibigan, 81-64 in favor of the Pure Foods Tender Juicy Giants. Kanina po, umabot ng 25 ang kalamangan nito mga bataan ni Coach Ryan Gregorio. Sumayaw! Okay, third quarter po tayo. Ito tandaan po ninyo mga itsura yan. Yan po ay si Jason Castro. Naging MVP po yan ng Harbor Center. At si Marvin Cruz ng Toyota Balintawak. MVP rin sa Siaba Championship. Malamang mapanood na natin ito sa PBA sa lalong madaling panahon.
Tama yun. Both of them are
gagaling yan.
super special players, yes. And they both played for the Philippine team that won the Siaba Champions Cup tournament, paving the way for the PBA team to play in the FIBA Asia Champions Cup, now going on in Iran.
Papadraft na raw yan sa susunod na PBA draft.
It looks like it's going to be a very rich draft.
Oh, yes. Oh.
Kung pumasok pa si Ryan Reyes, yung shining star niyo ng Henkel Vista sa PBL.
Marami pa dyan. Marking Chandler.
He is playing inspired basketball. And you're talking not just of Chandler, but the entire Pure Foods team showing up here red hot.
25 pa rin na ginagawa nito si Marking Chandler. Sunday Salvacion. Sabi nga sa inyo mga kaibigan, parang halos sa anong kahit ang bitawan ng Pure Foods, sinupasok si Andy Siegel ng Alangan. And Mac Macapagal trying to score on the inside. The coach John Wichico going over to Andy Siegel to tell him to take it easy.
Here's the gentle giant, the Andy Siegel.
He hesitated inside.
Kasi nandun yung defense. But he's got to take it strong. Yan ang isang kulang na kulang sa Barangay Ginebra. They've not been able to take advantage of their height. Kasi nandun yung double team palagi, no? Nakatutok doon sa dalawang post players ng Ginebra. We're talking not just of Andy Siegel, but also of Rod Neely. Incidentally, mga kaibigan natin sa LTO Tablac. Diyan kasi ako kumukuha ng lisensya. Nagpaparito.
Pag nahuhuli ka, sila umaayos.
Si Dan, Michael, Dali, Presi, kumusta kayong lahat?
Alright. LTO Tarlac Alright, 4:09 to go here in the third. Substitution tayo. Pasok si Billy Mamaril para kay Andy Siegel. At mamaya na si Ray Evangelista. Nandun din sa tapat ng official stable si Ray Evangelista. Chandler, James Yap, John Dan Salvador. Balik kay Chandler against Rod Neely. Chandler, hipit. Nagkabuhol sila ni Billy Mamaril, pero okay lang. May foul on Billy Mamaril.
Looks like good behavior now on the part of Mikey Chandler. Natuto na rin, ano?
Oo.
After all, he did sit out one game after an injection on successive technical.
Pero nakikita mo talagang nagtitimpi eh. Parang kinokontrol niya ng gusto.
Oo, tinitigis lang niya, no?
Oo.
But he's playing an excellent game.
Pero pag pinitik mo sa tenga niya, palagay ko.
He will erupt.
Oo.
25 points now for Mikey Chandler. And he has played a splendid game offensively and defensively. And of course, Mikey Chandler, who took Pure Foods to the finals in the last Fiesta Conference.
Oy. Another foul on Billy Mamaril as he tried to cover John Dan Salvador.
Salvador is just 2 points shy of scoring his conference high. Salvador has not scored in double figures in any game so far sa conference na to.
May 8 points na siya ngayon.
Oo, may 8 na nga eh. Kanya just 2 more and he will establish a new conference high. His high so far, 9 points.
Ray Evangelista Chandler against Neely. One-on-one. Billy Mamaril comes out to help Roy Castillo. Ay, naubusan na yan ng oras. The 24-second buzzer going off on Pure Foods. Ayun, medyo umanghang yung depensa ng Barangay Ginebra doon. At ganun pa man, ano ha? They'll have to do more of that.
Well, it's very clear. Once Martin Chandler has possession of the ball and he doesn't pass and he tries to make a one-on-one move, that defense will collapse. So he's got to know when to pass. And here's Rod Neely.
Rod Neely inside. Nakakuha pa ng foul. So a three-point play opportunity here para sa Barangay Ginebra.
All about being patient. 15 points down on Barangay Ginebra. If they can cut this lead down to about 10 points at the start of the fourth period, then we'll still have a ball game.
Kamusta rin sa ating kaibigan, si Atty. Cuna. Diyan sa Malate, si Charlie, yung dati natin sa radyo, kasama natin sa radyo, si Atty. Cuna ng Malate. Ano daw siya ngayon. Rod Neely nails the three-point play. At ito, meron ng backcourt pressure by Barangay Ginebra. Noy Castillo tries to break away. Has got 14 on the shot clock now. 14 na lang. Oh, yeah, James Yap from the outside. Nothing there. Ray Evangelista times it to John Del Salvador. Noy Castillo. Chandler. James Yap.
He's got it there last time. Nails it.
Alam mo, pagbitaw pa lang ni James Yap, tinaas na ni Alvin Patrimonio yung dalawa niyang kamay. Sabi niya, tres.
17
Score
points
it.
now for Sweet Baby James.
Di ba yung anak niya yun?
Oo nga eh.
Rod Neely. Oy. Teka. May blocking foul na tinawag. 2 minutes and 47 seconds remaining here in the third quarter of this game between Ginebra and Pure Foods. 17 puntos pa rin ang inahabol ng Barangay Ginebra sa Pure Foods. We have a timeout. We'll be right back. Kaibigan dyan sa Ilocandia. At kanina nakita natin, nilabas si Ronald Tubid at dinala sa dugout. Dominic Uy, ano nangyari?
Well, itong si Ronald Tubid ay natamaan nitong si John Dan Salvador at nagtamo nga siya ng sugat sa kanyang kilay, sa taas ng kanyang kanang kilay. And you know, he is being sewn up now, 5 to 6 stitches. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala, magbabalik po itong si Ronald Tubid in today's game.
Wow, pero matibay yan si Ronald Tubid, kahit meron bang injury sa rotator cuff.
Baka mamaya, we can ask Dominic to check out also on Paul Arcadi's condition kasi hindi pa natin nakikita ng maglalaro dito. No?
Oo nga pala.
It looks like he might have a report now. Oh, hindi, mamaya.
Okay. Relax ka lang. Kasi ato mo minamadali si Dominic.
Kumakaway kasi si Dominic.
Hi lang daw.
Oh,
Okay. Noy Castillo has it. Habang kayo makapagal. The bounce pass to James Yap. James Yap puts it up. Up the glass.
No problem. One-on-one defense. Jack Chia.
19 points now for James Yap in the game.
Yap is too strong for Jack.
18 na naman ang abante ng Pure Foods.
Again, that zone defense, the Pure Foods is holding up. Come on,